Every 4 American workers have now filed for unemployment, and that means likely someone you know is jobless. Today, the new unemployment numbers came out. Take a look here. 2.1 million new claims in just the last week. Our Washington correspondent Serena Marshall breaks down what this means for all of us.
Good afternoon to you. That staggering figure means now that 1 out of every 4 American workers has filed for unemployment. All the result of the COVID pandemic. This week's numbers show that while 2.1 million new claims were filed, the trend of new applicants has continued its decline for the past 8 weeks. And if there's a sliver of silver lining, continuing claims fell by about 4 million, marking the first decline since the pandemic began. That's coming as many states move to reopen their economies, bringing people back to work. Overall, the high jobless rates persist, though, at the highest rate since the Great Depression. The jobless rate for April hit nearly 15%, and economists predict that for May, it'll near 20%. Reporting from outside Washington, I'm Serena Marshall, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
American Airlines is getting ready to lay off employees. In a letter, the executive vice president of People and Communications says that there will be 5,000 cuts, mostly in management and support staff. Workers will have until June 10th to accept a buyout. Those laid off after October 1st won't get a severance package. American accepted part of the government bailout, so they can't lay off or reduce pay until September 30th. The CEO is pushing back on the idea that bankruptcy could be used as a financial tool to stay alive. The Dallas Business Journal reports CEO Doug Parker says he views bankruptcy as failure, not a financial tool. American carries more debt than competitors because it spent the last several years upgrading its planes. Parker said American still has a long way to go in the recovery process and says it's unlikely 2021 traffic will recover to 2019 levels. Well, right now, UNC Charlotte economist John Conaghan is presenting his quarterly forecast, and it will be unlike any other in recent years. Now, he's expected to address how long it will take the state's economy to get back to 2019 levels and walk through scenarios for the rest of the year. Last week, he estimated the state's real unemployment rate at 20% higher than the 14% released by the Department of Labor. Well, people losing their jobs and incomes can take a toll on their mental health. Experts believe another health crisis is looming involving mental health. Well, Channel 9 is working with Atrium Health to go in depth, looking at the challenges faced by parents, healthcare workers, people struggling with addiction, and those who've lost jobs. And join us for a special program, Eyewitness News Mental Health Check, tomorrow at noon, right here on Channel 9. And we're following breaking news at this hour. The North Carolina House is expected to vote later today on an effort to reopen bars. In the last 90 minutes, the state Senate voted to reopen them with certain restrictions in place, like only allowing alcohol to be served in outdoor areas. It would also restrict bars to 50% capacity, just like restaurants. The bill would override Governor Roy Cooper's executive order and needs only one vote in the House. While having access to COVID-19 testing is one of Governor Roy Cooper's main priorities to reopening North Carolina. To help, CVS is opening dozens of new drive-through test sites across the state starting tomorrow. Take a look here. This is a map of 8 locations in Charlotte that will be available. They are opening up, some in Davidson, Gastonia, Matthews, and Concord. You'll stay in your car, and a CVS pharmacy team member will make sure the self-swab test is done properly. You must make an appointment on their website first. We put a list of these locations on our WSOC mobile app. Well, a grim situation. More than 100,000 Americans have now died from COVID-19. And while the virus spread has significantly slowed, the number of new cases is rising in 14 states, including right here in North Carolina. California is now the 4th state with at least 100,000 known infections. It is easing restrictions and trying to restart its economy. In Arizona, this food vendor was getting ready to move, but when the pandemic hit and stopped sporting events, she tried to stay put. A court ruled against her, forcing her to evict her home of 12 years.
What's the next steps for you?
Homelessness.
Well, North Carolina's halt on eviction order expires June 1st, but there is help available. Crisis Assistance Ministry in Charlotte is prepared to help up to 300 people per day. But so far, they're only seeing about 100 per day. The agency has more than $1 million in special federal funding to help people get back on track, and they've added more staffing to help. Well, a judge issued a preliminary injunction against a Charlotte towing company. They're accused of targeting truck drivers trying to deliver supplies during the pandemic. Well, the order against A1 Towing limits the fees they can charge for towing and booting. It also means they'll have to release impounded vehicles when owners pay half the amount. Well, these rules will remain in place while North Carolina's Attorney General sues. We told you earlier this month, truck drivers say A1 forced them to pay thousands to get their trucks back.